How to unhide an app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. The home screen is the primary interface for accessing apps, widgets, and system controls. It features a customizable grid of app icons, widgets, and potentially folders for organizing apps. Now, keep swiping left till you reach the app library page. Here, the apps are placed in different groups accordingly. For example, entertainment, social and more. Scroll down to the end and go to the hidden folder. You will find all the hidden apps over here. If you want to unhide an app from here, then press and hold the app and tap on Add to Home Screen. Following these steps, you can easily unhide an app on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.